This tutorial is for 3rd grade, Module 2, Lesson 15D. In this lesson, we're going to continue to look at how adding on a place value chart transfers to the vertical standard algorithm of addition. My first problem is 423 plus 396. I'm going to start by showing 423 on the place value chart. So 423 means I have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. To that, I'll add 396. When I make my discs for 396, I'm going to show them as open discs so we can see the difference between the two numbers. So let's see, I need 3 hundreds. I'm also going to show my discs in groups of 5 so I can count them quickly. And 9 tens. And finally 6 ones. Now, looking at my discs, I see that I have 9 ones, but in my tens column I have 11 groups of 10. That means that I can bundle 10 groups of 10 and move them over as one group of 100. 10 tens is the same thing as 100. Now we can see how the place value chart will match the vertical addition. We had 3 discs in the ones column, we added 6 more, which gave us 9. We had 2 discs in the tens column and added 9 more to that. That gave us one group of 100 and one extra disc. Now when I look at my hundreds column, I had the 4 that I started with, I added 3 more, and then I had the 1 that I got when I bundled 10 groups of 10. Altogether now I have 8 groups of 100. So 423 plus 396 equals 819. And my place value chart matches the sum in the vertical addition. 8 groups of 100, 1 group of 10, and 9 ones. Here's another example. This time I'm adding 101 to 279. We'll start by showing 101. It's one group of 100, 0 tens, and 1. To that I'll add 279. That's 2 groups of 100, 7 groups of 10, and 9 ones. When I add those 9 ones, I see that I have a group of 10 ones. So I can bundle those, move them over as a group of 10. Now looking at the vertical addition, I had the 1 disc. I added 9 discs to that. That gave me a group of 10 with 0 discs left over, because once I bundled and moved those discs, they're gone now. In my tens column, I now have 8 discs, 7 and 1 more group would be 8 groups of 10. And in my hundreds column, I have 3 groups of 100 for a final answer of 380. Here's another problem. This time I have 589 plus 233. I'll start by showing 5 hundreds, 8 tens, and 9 ones. To that I will add 233, so I have 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 3 ones. Starting in my ones column, I see that I have a group of 10 that I can bundle, and I'll move those over as a group of 10. In my tens column, I also have a group of 10 tens. I can bundle those, move those over as a group of 100. So once I bundle these and move them over, they're gone. Now let's look at this addition on the vertical format. I had 9 ones, I added 3 ones to that. That gave me a group of 10 and 2 more ones. In my tens column, I had 8 tens. I added 3 more to that and the 1 that I bundled from my ones column. When I did that, that gave me a group of 10 tens that I bundled and traded in for 100, and then 2 leftover discs. Now in my hundreds column, I have 8 groups of 100. and my final answer is 822.